Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another McLaren episode. In this video we're gonna go to the shop, which is gonna be like right now, take the car onto the towing and take it to a different shop so we can start the paint job on the car. All right, today I'm not gonna be by myself. This little puppy is going with me. He's 9 weeks old. That's a Jack the Terrier. It's a hunting dog. They're like middle-sized dogs. They're not big, we're small. And it does look like a Doberman from here. But yeah, he's going with me, so we'll have some fun today. Apollo, hey. So looks like I'm a little late. The tow guy is here waiting for me. I hope he's not pissed. All right, we're gonna start this car. It did start it yesterday. I hope everything is still fine, so let's try. All right, let's see. Yep, she's alive. Now we're gonna drive this thing to the trailer.
And it's on a trailer.
Okay. So they're strapping the car right now, and we're gonna go ahead and get all the parts into the truck, take it to the shop. My brother's helping over here. So we got the fenders, we got some plastics, the hood, and that's it, the bumper, yeah. We got the car on the towing, on our way to the shop right now. And the hood is inside with me over here. I don't want to put it in the bed and lose it on the freeway. Except this little guy over here, struggling a little bit under this hood. Hey, Apollo, you good? Yeah, you good. So we just got here at Eugene auto shop. That's the guy that I trust with a car like this for body work, paint job, above, whatever it takes, he's gonna take care of this baby. Right guys, so we're here at the shop. All we have to do today is take this door off because we do wanna tape the car. They don't have to do nothing on the car yet, and we don't want no dust go inside, so we're gonna cover with plastic. Make sure it stays all clean. The door should be pretty simple to take it off. And the reason we're gonna do that is because this door has some damage, some fiberglass work. So that's the corner over here. A little bit here. It's gonna be easier to take it off and put in some sawhorses. So let's go. Так дави с дверькой. О, сейчас, Марк, ты тяни провод, только не полностью.
Все есть.
Все. А ты хотел капот снять, крышу снять,
Я хотел
мотор.
это снять. Амортизатор.
Все, да, снимай. No, амортизатор ставь. Yeah.
Да, я ставлю.
Pull it out.
What do you want?
Take it off.
Just throw it directly in the garbage.
Garbage. This door costs more than the Prius.
Who cares?
This thing was in double stick tape and it had 3 bolts. This one wasn't too bad. This one I barely had to stick my arm all the way to reach that one, but it's out. Alright, our job is done here. We did strip this door apart. Now he can start working on this, and we'll be back another day and get some more stuff done. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. The McLaren is getting paint right now, so in meantime we do have couple videos that are a little different than working on the McLaren, so stay tuned for that coming soon. But other than that, thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.